gold precisely trading in the range which I had shared earlier in the day. I told you not to sell before 1865 levels. It failed to go till that. At the same time, yes, it has failed to sustain above 1880. I had asked you to buy at 1876, and please note that 1880, 1885 and then 90 levels are going to be a good resistance level. So is it going to achieve those levels now, or we can see a retracement from here? And likewise for US crude too. US crude has failed to drop below 73.5, 73.4 levels and has seen a good recovery. So now what to expect in crude oil? Which position you should take in gold and crude oil, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First we'll look into gold, followed with crude oil WTI. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels here. Now look at the hourly chart. Certainly 1878, 1880 levels is a very good resistance. We have seen just once it tried to breach past 1880, failed to do so. Once again I will recommend you to see buy if you see it trading above 1880 levels. That is a comfortable level. Yes, you can buy at 1876 also, but then expect 18. See this zone 1878, 1880, very good resistance. So you might get couple of dollars or so, but remember it is not considered to be bullish. It is just a retracement trade, and hence it can reverse any point of time. Till the time it trades below 1920, there is could be little more bearishness. Now look at the hourly charts here. See two candles with a strong long tail here, and a smaller body, diminishing body size, indicating that there could be a potential retracement, and that is what it is trying to do. At the same time, it has not yet breached below 1865 for the day. Only below 1865 we can expect that it is going to trade bearish. So that is the first part. Now let's have a further detailed look here. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic has seen a good drop, trying to bounce back again. The MACD is bullish here. It is trading in green. It is looking upwards. RSI is also trying to recover. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, previous two candles with the long tails, you have to wait for it to break past 1876 levels, then you can again expect. But remember, still it will find definitely these levels at 1878, 80 as a very strong resistance now, and hence you should be cautious of these levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a drop here. The MACD on the 2-hour charts is looking forward to a crossover, and this is a bullish cross. It is looking upwards from here. Probably we can see little more bullish move from here. Be cautious of this. RSI trading at bottom, and it has come out of the oversold zone. Now look at 3 hour. See on the 3-hour charts, there is a reversal indication after major green candles here. It is shown a reversal indication, and we have seen it trading in red. Now if you connect the dots, see this is expanding in nature, and hence 18. See again a good buy entry is only above 1880. Let's not risk anything. You should buy only above 1880 levels, and in fact if you are risking, you can risk it now, but then expect 1875, 76, 78 till 1880. It can reverse any point of time, and this time if it reverses and trades below 1865, you can expect a further sharper drop which might take it below 1860 also. Hence you should trade with caution here. It is still trading in this bearish triangle, so let's be a little bit more observant. But see, the directional movement is still bearish here. The stochastic is at high, and it is looking forward to cool down a bit. The MACD at the same time is trading bearish, and this is trading at extreme levels, and hence there could be a potential recovery from here. See the candle size is diminished, but let's wait for it to cross over and enter into buy zone. RSI, which was trading oversold, has come out of the oversold zone. Look at the 4-hour charts. Now see on the 4-hour charts, look at this. The 20 and 50 period moving averages are crossing with divergence, indicating near-term bearishness. Also there is a crossover between the 50 and 100 period moving average, which is also a bearish indication. At the same time, look at 4-hour charts. See higher highs are seen here and lower lows are seen here. Now wait for it to break past 1880 levels, then we can expect 1884, 85, which is going to be the next resistance level. Yes, those who want to risk a little, because see rise, couple of retracement candles, and now trying to buy again. Potentially once it trades above 1876 levels, you can expect that. But see, till 1880, 1885, it is still going to be a risky trade, as it can reverse any point of time on the downside, and hence you should be very cautious. For the trade, yes, you can buy here, but then expect it to again get resistance at 78.80, and then beyond that little more bearish, stronger resistance on the upside will be seen. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards from the oversold zone. It is still trying to trade bullish. The MACD is bearish, waiting for it to converge crossover. The RSI is trading at bottom, and it was oversold, and it is now come out of the oversold zone. Now look at the daily chart. On the daily chart, I did tell you that it is getting the support from the 20 period moving average here. Yes, this is the weekend candle, and see the candle size is definitely increasing in nature. At the same time, see the formation there. Look at the formation. See flat bottom, and then this bullish candle, support from the 50 period moving average, and see the height potentially might limit itself within at max till 1885, or even if it rises 1890 is going to be a very strong resistance. But remember the fact, bearish confirmation is only if it trades below 1865, and then 1860 levels. Below 1860 certainly we can see more bearishness. Till that time I will not consider this as bearish. Potentially there could be little retracement. Directional movement willing to converge crossover for a buy entry again. Stochastic is extremely oversold on the daily charts. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish, but see the candle size here is flat, and potentially it may look forward to a little bullish candles there. RSI is also dropped significantly and now trading comfortable. Considering this, as I shared, only sell opportunities below 1865 levels till the time it trades above 1865. And yes, you can buy at 1876. However, remember 1878 80 levels are going to be the maximum resistance zone. Beyond that, you can expect that we may see 84 85 as the next resistance, and beyond that, if it trades 1890 levels. So keep your trades, trailing with a trailing stop loss, because see, if it reverses, your trade should close in profit or at least without any losses, because we know that this is retracement and it can give you good swings, and hence you have to trade with caution. Trade accordingly, trade profitably or below 1865, and if it drops below 1860, it will call for the bears, and it will drop probably till towards 1855, 47, 40, and then below that a further crash can be seen. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil WTI. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 19th batch starts today, and yes, the next batch bookings are also open. You can reserve your seats now itself, and if you want to skip introductory session, you can join today's batch also. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at crude oil WTI on the early charts. I told you there is a support here at 73.5, 73.4 levels precisely. It has achieved 73.4 and recovered sharply. Now see on the early charts what it has done so far. Higher lows are seen consistently. Higher lows, lower highs. It means wait for it to give a breakout, and this probably can be a bullish breakout where we may see it hitting 74.5, and above 74.5 there could be further bullishness which might take it till towards, remember, 75.5 and 76. This is going to be a very good resistance zone. So yes, you can buy at 74.5, wait for the next hourly candle, and once it breaks out, it is going to fly high. Take your trades then. And yes, on the downside, so rather I will say you can, yes, better I will say buy here at 74.3 level. 74.5 is a good level beyond which you can definitely stay long. So wait for 74.5 to be breached, and then you can stay long there. On the downside, you can sell at 73.4. Same levels which we talked about in the morning, we are sticking to the same levels. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a little drop, trying to look upwards and show little bullishness. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bullish on the hourly chart. And see, this crossover is happening at the bottom. Potentially, we may see a little rise. RSI trying to look upwards, show a little strength. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs. Wait for it to break past 74.5, and then further bullishness will be seen there. Direction movement is bearish. Stochastic has seen a little drop. The MACD is willing to cross over for a buy, and it is showing little greener sign which is indicative. Probably we can see little bullishness here. The RSI is also trying to look upwards, show little bullish sign. Now look at 3-hour charts. Also on the 3-hour charts, see one thing you must remember: oil is trading in this bearish channel. Now the highs of this channel are far away at 77 and 78, and reversal confirmation is only if it trades above 78. That is very clear. Also, it is trading at the bottom of this channel and it is looking forward to a recovery here. And if you look at the directional movement, it is bearish trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a little rise after trading being oversold. The MACD is looking forward to a crossover for a buy entry. Now see, so far what it has done, you can see every time it has gone green, it is followed with a red sign there. So retracement, 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 retracement. Now, if it crosses over, it can give you stronger bullish momentum. Mark my words, if it continues to trade from here, it can show you stronger bullish momentum. RSI likewise, RSI is seen the bottom trying to look upwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, likewise on the 4-hour charts, getting the support from 73.5, it is trying to trade bullish. It is potentially beyond 74.5, further bullishness can be seen there. Direction movement is bearish. Stochastic was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone here. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for the buy entries, and the RSI was oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone here. And if you look at this on the daily charts, you can see right now see it has achieved the lows from the previous levels. 73.4 levels provided a very good support here. Now it is trying to recover a bit, but should be considered a retracement and not a reversal. Till the time it trades below 80, it should not be considered for a reversal trade. Yes, this is just a retracement. Direction movement is bearish here. Stochastic is oversold, and hence potentially we can expect that the candle might remain green. The MACD is divergent and bearish. Probably from here it may start converging. The RSI is trading at bottom. Considering this, yes, you can stay long with the stop loss at 73.4, but remember 74.5 is a very good resistance here. If it stays above 74.5, you should wait for 75 to be breached. Once it trades above 75, there could be certainly little more bullish momentum, and 77, 78 is the level beyond which it can show little strength, where you can expect 80, 82 levels in the coming few days. Hence, take your trades accordingly. On the downside, only sell entry is below 73.4. Below that, 73 first target, 72.8 next, and then 72, 70 levels will be seen in this week itself. Any point of time, if you see it trading below 72.8, stay short, and it is going to look at 70 and below 70 levels in this week itself. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.